It's a loop. It's a tuck inside of the matrix.
Let's watch Terrence Howard go back to Joe Rogan and continue to think that this simple math problem is a loop in the matrix. Watch the video.
Then
But we
teach
know,
me.
Yeah, I know.
Teach me. I'm
That's-
learning.
what are
I'm
we doing?
learning right
What-
now.
look.
But Jamie, do me a favor. Pull up the calculator. I want you to pull up the calculator. We're going to look at this loop, and you tell me that this loop isn't a contradiction, and says that the math.
Okay.
Is,
Go ahead.
I want a
ahead.
scientific calculator. There we go.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Hit 2. Square root. Cube it up. Right up there. Yep. Now divide by 2. Hit equal. Cube it again. X to the third. Divide by 2. That is a loop. Cube it again. Hit X to the third. That's an unnatural
Talk to me
equation.
about unnatural.
It's a loop. It's a tuck inside of the matrix.
The square root of 2 is the same as x to the 1/2 power, and cubing it gives you 2 to the 3/2 power. When you divide it by 2, you can subtract the exponents. So 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2, which is also the square root of 2, and this is the mysterious loop he is talking about. What he doesn't realize is that this is just a simple equation where the square root of x, which is this square root of 2, is equal to the square root of x cubed divided by 2. Just like before, the square root of x is x to the 1/2 power. Now you can multiply the exponents to get this. And then you multiply both sides by 2. Move this term to the right side. Since there's x to the 1/2 power in both terms, you can factor it out, and this term is just x to the 2/2 or 1 power. So the two solutions to make this equation equal to 0 are x equals 0 and x equals 2, making Terrence Howard's loop not so special.